Welcome to channel, Effortless English from Zero. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Two small ants. Listen and repeat. There are two ants. Their names are Gary and Eric. They are very small. They want to watch television. But they are very poor. So, they listen to radio. Listen and answer. Are there two ants?
Yes, there are two ants.
What is there?
There are two ants.
Are their names Gary and Eric?
Yes, their names are Gary and Eric.
What are their names?
Their names are Gary and Eric.
Are they very small?
Yes, they are very small.
Who is very small?
Gary and Eric are very small.
Do they want to watch television?
Yes, they want to watch television.
Who wants to watch television?
Gary and Eric want to watch television.
What do they want to watch?
They want to watch television.
Are they very poor?
Yes, they are very poor.
Who is very poor?
Gary and Eric are very poor.
Do they listen to radio?
Yes, they listen to radio.
Who listens to radio?
Gary and Eric listen to radio.
What do they listen to?
They listen to radio.
Point of view, yesterday. Listen and repeat. There were two ants. Their names were Gary and Eric. They were very small. They wanted to watch television. But they were very poor. So, they listened to radio. Point of view, tomorrow. Listen and repeat. There will be two ants. Their name will be Gary and Eric. They will be very small. They will want to watch television. But they will be very poor. So, they will listen to radio. Vocabulary. And. Small. Watch. Television. Poor. Listen. Question of the day. Do you like watching television? Let me know in the comments below. You have to watch this video every day, for at least 1 week. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye-bye.